I love my neighbour. I've just seen my neighbour with the roof of his car down. It's a nice day. And he's got a woolly hat on. And he's got his dark glasses, his big round dark glasses touching the woolly hat. And I absolutely love my neighbours. They crack me up. Anyway, right. So, today I am taking Ray to Subway. He has never tried Subway before. So I am going to pick him up and take him to Subway, and he's very, very excited because like I say, he's never tried Subway. I need to make sure he has a sensible diet when he's with me. When he goes out, he eats whatever he wants, and make sure we pack it with lots of salads and yeah, just pack it with lots of salads, and that's healthy, meat and salads, and that's absolutely fine for him. So, see you in a bit. Hey, Janice and Ray are back.
We're back.
We're back.
Yeah. Double trouble. Anyway.
I love you, Ray.
Double trouble, ain't
Double trouble.
Yeah.
Barney Rubble. So,
Barney Ruggle.
we're going to try. Ray gave me this today.
I'll give you a...
Amigos. Why is it all sticky, Ray?
Hey?
Why is it all sticky?
Dunno.
Ugh. Sanitizer.
Oh, probably where it was...
Right. So we're going to go to
trodden.
We're going to Subway. It's a Friday. We're going to go for Subway. Like I say, Subway is good because you need more salads in your diet, Ray.
Do I?
What do you fancy? Do you fancy meat or fish in the Subway? Meat or fish?
Well, you know I'm a fishy person, aren't I?
Fish.
Yeah.
So tuna with salads.
Yeah, that's it.
You eat every salad, don't you? Lettuce, cucumber, onions. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're going to do that. So
And I'll put my glasses on so I can see more of her.
I'm keeping warm, Ray. Where's your coat?
Hey?
You're staying in the car while I go and get it, aren't you?
Yeah.
All right. So what I'm going to do is when I go into Subway, I'm going to film going into Subway with my mask and everything, so that Ray can see what Subway looks like inside as well.
I thought you got it.
Drive through.
I thought you got your mask on.
Here we go.
There we go.
There I am. I'm all ready with my mask on.
Don't you look better?
Ray thinks I look better with my mask on. Thanks, Ray.
Yeah, lovely.
Right, so follow me now to Subway. I'm going to leave Ray in the car. Won't be long, Ray.
Yeah, okay. Leave your keys. I'll have to drive around the block.
The red peppers, onions, peppers. Yeah. Onions in both, tomato in both. That spinach? Yeah. Oh, put spinach in there. Isn't tried spinach. That'd be great. And then just put the mayonnaise in there. So there you go. Be back in a bit. Be back in a bit. Subway, Subway, Subway. Just approaching the car. Long did it?
No.
I was as quick as anything.
Then that place is 9 Mill Street, look. I wonder what that must be a new place.
That's not new. There you go, so we're back.
Well, I've never seen it.
Right, so what I've got you
What have
is
you?
we've got you to try the meatball one
Yeah.
and the chicken and bacon one,
Yeah.
and we just half it,
Yeah.
and then yeah, that'll be alright. And I put salad in it and everything.
Lovely.
All right.
Yeah.
Off we go. Right, have you got your seatbelt off?
Oh, yeah.
What'd you take? Oh, right, okay, pass it here then.
God, man. That's spur back, isn't it?
Yes.
Good about that.
Yeah. You'd soon know if your head hit the windscreen, wouldn't you? Hey? You'd soon know about that. You'd have a bloody headache, I tell you.
Bloody headache. You'll have,
Yeah, crikey!
and you'll have a bloody windscreen.
I know.
Gotcha.
Hungry, Ray?
Yeah.
I told them to toast the bread, and I videoed it how it's all been done, so you can see it when I edit it.
Have you?
How it was all done. So it's like you do. It's like you do come inside with me, but you don't. If you see what I mean.
Another one was sold there, look.
Yeah.
That's been sold lots of times, that one.
But it's right near the road, isn't it? That's the thing.
Another one here. Oh, that's my neighbour.
Is it?
Who lives
Is that the
in
one you're dating?
Who lives in the bungalow opposite.
Oh, right, okay. So this one, you just said you never tried spinach. This one's got bacon, chicken, spinach, and tomatoes in that one. Raymond?
Yeah. Come on.
Meatballs and spinach in that one.
There we are.
Right, so that's the one with the meatballs in.
Yeah.
Barbecue sauce. Oh, God.
Barbie sauce.
And that one's your chicken, bacon and spinach. Let's do that. Oh, that's better.
That's it.
Oh, it's much better.
That's better.
That's better. So there's meatballs. Oh, you're eating the chicken and bacon one first, aren't you? Look, my ball fell out.
Oh, God, blimey. Good job it didn't happen to me.
Lean it over the plate. Alright, I don't remember seeing the library van. Your neighbourhood job. What, aren't you, Ray?
Neighbourhood what?
This is what happens when you retire, you notice everything.
I'll come up, keep your eye on you.
So, you like Subway, do you?
Good.
It's good that you're trying new things, isn't it?
Oh, yeah. What time did you get up then? Was that when I put the paper in?
I didn't see the paper when I came down.
Eh?
No.
I put it in early. Just on 7.
I was out. I was out with the dogs and it. So in the chicken and bacon one, you've got a bit of spinach and olives in there. Do you like the olives? Did you get any olives?
Olives, yeah.
Yeah? I asked them for full salad and when I looked down, it's not full salad in there.
No?
Never mind. But if you do like it, we can do it again.
Oh, yeah. You read the paper, did you?
Yeah. No, I just start signs. Oh, hang on, what's this one?
Them two escaped from prison. They went to the local pub. Said we had escaped, of course they went down and got them.
No, I love it. Drink to clink. 2 prisoners who fled an open jail were caught after heading straight to the pub and boasting of their escape. Hilarious. Hilarious. Another drinker heard their bragging and called the police. Both men ran off, but burglar Pete Johnson, serving 876 days, was caught nearby. Vincent Israel, jailed for 46 months for an armed robbery, was picked up later with foot injuries after leaping over a 5-foot fence. 7 billion views on that one, this lady got. Almost as much as you, Ray.
I got more than that.
Absolutely. You got nearly 1 million views, Ray, so we're on the way. I'll tell you how many views you got.
Hey?
I'll tell you how many views you got. Shall I update you on how many views you got on your video?
About half a dozen.
Oh look, someone's just said you're amazing.
Oh yeah. Amazing. Must be amazing for up with you.
Amazing. You've had 683,300. Yeah.
Cool.
Right, everyone. We're good to go now. Ray has really enjoyed his Subway, as you saw, and we'll be back soon to try something else new. He's tried spinach and Subway today. He's never tried spinach before, so it's quite nice him trying something new. And yes, it's good for him to try something new. And yes, we'll be back again very soon. So if you've liked this video, share, like, subscribe, and stay safe. Hands, face, space.